Because of its multimodal features, Gemini can handle text, pictures, and code simultaneously. Although Google already has Bard, Gemini is expected to outperform ChatGPT and Bing AI because of its unique characteristics. One of Gemini's key benefits and what sets it apart from its predecessors is its multimodal capabilities. The CEO claims that Gemini will be a multimodal large language model, which implies that it will probably replace Google's utilization of its products like Google Lens or third-party services like Adobe Firefly inside the Bard AI ecosystem. Gemini is a master of all crafts, since it is capable of multimodal question answering, summarizing, translating, creating, and reasoning. Yes, Gemini is the student who consistently learned without even attempting. What is the other AI stuff Google has done? But what distinguishes Gemini as the newest cool kid?